Today I'm sharing bench decor ideas for your home. Adding an indoor bench to your design can transform the look from average to stunning. Modern benches are stylish and functional. They'll elevate the look of your entryway, living room, bedroom, or any empty corner. In this video, we'll cover the types of benches, the materials they come in, where you can place them in your home, and decorating ideas to get a high-end look on a budget. I'm also sharing my top picks and places to shop, so make sure that you watch to the end. Disclaimer, this video contains affiliate links. The prices listed in this video are from the time of recording and subject to change. Now let's get started. Number 1. Types of benches. We'll start with the types of benches because they're not all created equal. The one you choose will be determined by the needs of your space. Are you looking to create a moment? Do you need to fill an empty corner? Do you need a storage solution? Or are you looking for extra seating? Here are the different types of benches you can choose from. The storage bench. This is going to be perfect for entryways, bedrooms, or anywhere that you need a place to sit and a storage solution. They can hold anything from shoes, bags, extra blankets, seasonal decor, and toys. Just lift the lid and voila! Instant organization. Some entryway benches even come with built-in storage for shoes and have baskets to keep hats, gloves, or outdoor accessories. The accent bench. These are great for a living room, entryway, or at the foot of a bed. An accent bench is where you can layer in style, texture, pattern, or color. Many have sculptural silhouettes that look like a work of art and will make a statement in your home. Can we take a moment to appreciate the beauty of this Christian Siriano bench? Okay, now we can move on. Dining benches. This is something that you'll see used in open floor plans and contemporary spaces instead of traditional chairs. It'll add a modern look and make a space feel more expansive because you won't have the chair back blocking the view and dividing the space. Upholstered benches. This is my personal favorite, and I have several in my home. An upholstered bench will add comfort and texture to any space. They come in all kinds of fabrics and patterns. You can get them with channel tufting for a modern look or button tufting for a glam or traditional vibe. Today's video was actually inspired by this upholstered bench moment. It's been my #1 pin on Pinterest over the years, so I figured there'd be interest. Window benches. Getting a custom-made bench in front of your window can cost you anywhere from $500 to $1,500, but you can get the look with a ready-made bench for between $200 to $600. This is going to be perfect to create a cozy reading nook in your room. Adding one with built-in storage underneath will add extra functionality. Outdoor benches. These will create a focal point in your garden, patio, under a tree, or your front porch. Just make sure that the one that you choose is weather resistant and durable so it'll last. Also know that many of these styles can come with or without a back. A backless bench will have a clean, minimalist look, which is going to be perfect for smaller spaces. The bench with the back is going to be great for larger spaces or where you need extra support. It's also super important that you know your design style when choosing your bench. This way, you'll avoid adding a modern bench in a traditional space and vice versa, because it's just going to look out of place. For help finding your design style, take the quiz in the description below or watch this video. Before we continue, for anyone new, I'm Nikki D, your go-to resource for design inspiration to make your home look expensive and like you hired a designer. If you love all things interior design, make sure to hit that bell and subscribe to the channel. I drop a new video every Sunday that I think you'll enjoy. Links to shop, follow, and learn with me are all in the description below. There's also a blog post with all this information that you can save to Pinterest and refer back to at any time. Number 2, materials. Next, we're going to talk about the bench materials because the one that you choose is going to set the tone for your space. You want it to match your style and decor, plus you want it to be durable. For this, you have several options. Wood is a classic, timeless choice that works well with most styles from transitional to modern. This includes your oak, pine, or weather-resistant teak for outdoor spaces. It does require maintenance and polishing, but it'll age beautifully. A metal bench is going to be durable and give your room an industrial or modern vibe. It can be used in both indoor and outdoor spaces. A weather-resistant metal bench is what you want in an outdoor space because it's going to require little maintenance. For a cozy vibe, go for an upholstered bench. These are available in everything from soft fabrics like velvet, shearling, boucle, and linen to materials like leather, suede, or hair on hide. If you have pets or small children, performance fabrics like Krypton or leather is the way to go. An upholstered bench will add comfort and style to your design, especially in living rooms and bedrooms. These are going to cost you anywhere from $200 to $1,000, but they'll be worth the investment. Wicker or rattan benches are lightweight and great for sunrooms or patios. These are perfect for a beachy coastal or boho look. An acrylic or lucite bench will create a focal point and make a statement. It's going to be perfect for smaller spaces because the clear design is going to make it feel more open and expansive. The sleek, modern silhouette will add a touch of glam and sophistication to your space. It's also going to be the talk of the party. And the best bench designs include a combination of different materials all in one piece. Here's an example of some stylish benches with mixed materials. Number 3, where to use a bench in your home. To be honest, benches can work just about anywhere. In your entryway, a bench is going to set the tone for your entire room. It's going to be the first thing that you see and is a place to make a statement. You can combine an upholstered bench with an oversized mirror for a place to put your shoes on or check yourself before leaving the house. For busy households, a storage bench by your front door is going to keep your family organized. In living rooms, a bench will add extra seating, style, and interest. You can even use one instead of a coffee table in smaller rooms. Over the years, I've moved this velvet bench around depending on the season and my current mood. I've had it in the corner, opposite the sofa, at the front window, and I'm sure I'll continue to find new places as our needs evolve. In the dining room, you can change out a few chairs for a dining bench. This is going to create a more casual, modern look. A general rule is to make sure that each person seated at the table will have at least 24 to 30 inches of space, depending on the size of your chair. With a bench, you can have more people sitting closer together, which can be more intimate and great for entertaining, providing you actually like the people you're sitting close to. Just saying. Your bedroom is another great place for a bench. You could place it at the front of a window or the foot of your bed. It'll add style and function to your room. It'll give you a place to put on your shoes, lay out your clothes, or sit down as you get dressed. We originally had a storage bench at the foot of my daughter's bed, but then we changed it to this tufted velvet style for a touch of glam. It really elevated the design and took it to that next level. For a bedroom essentials list and what a budget makeover like this room will cost you, watch this video. Another place to add a bench is in your walk-in closet. I have a storage bench under my window in the closet, which is great for storing extra items and putting things down when I'm getting dressed. This was a HomeGoods find that I got years ago. HomeGoods is a great place to find stylish benches. For tips shopping at HomeGoods, make sure you watch this video. My style has changed over the years, and I do plan to change out this bench for a more contemporary one, but don't tell my husband I told you that. A hallway is another place that you can add a bench and create a moment. It'll be a spot to put on your shoes or put things down. Most likely, you're going to need a narrow bench depending on how wide your hallway is. The ideal space for traffic flow for 2 people to pass each other is going to be 3 feet. In a home office, a stylish bench is going to add extra seating for guests or be a place to get away from your desk. One with built-in storage can be another spot to keep supplies out of sight. Lastly, add a weatherproof bench to your outdoor space for a cozy, inviting feel. It'll be a place to sit down, be surrounded by nature, have a conversation, connect with your neighbors, or have a quiet reading spot. So many good things. Just remember, no matter where you decide to put a bench, make sure to measure and create a floor plan. It's the only way that you'll know it'll fit and you'll avoid returns. For a step-by-step guide to learn how to measure and create a floor plan, make sure you download a copy of the free PDF in the description below. Number 4, bench decorating ideas. This is where you can get creative and add your personal style. The key to making your bench look amazing is using layers. This can be adding a few throw pillows in complementary colors, patterns, and textures. Neutral pillows are going to give you a minimalist look, or you can mix and match for an eclectic vibe. Draping a soft throw blanket over one side is going to create a cozy layered effect. During the holidays, you can update the look with seasonal pillow covers or a throw blanket. Depending on the size and use of your bench, you can also add a tray to hold candles, books, or even a small plant. You could style the bench with a potted plant to add life and warmth. Just make sure that you protect your bench underneath so you don't get any damage. If you need storage, add baskets underneath for another place to keep things organized. You could style the bench with a stack of your favorite coffee table books. If you don't have a favorite coffee table book, check out this video for my favorites. In this corner moment, the velvet tufted bench is styled with large, oversized artwork for a bold statement. There's texture and contrast in the pillows and the fur rug. To complete the look, there's a gold drink table for a touch of sophistication. For all things accent tables, you can watch this video. You could create a similar look with a gallery wall above or style the bench with a large, oversized mirror for a dramatic touch. Number 5. The cost and where to shop. Just like any other furniture, benches come in a wide variety of price points. For those on a budget, you can find great options for under $300. Places to shop include Walmart, Target, and Amazon. They do have benches that cost more, but you'll find stylish benches that are very affordable. In the mid-range, a unique, durable bench is going to cost you between $300 and $800. For these, you can shop Wayfair, Castleberry, Urban Outfitters, and West Elm. For those with more disposable income, you'll get a high-end designer look starting at $800 and up. For these, you can shop Pottery Barn, Our House, Anthropologie, Lulu in Georgia, CB2, Crate & Barrel, and McGee & Co. Here are some design secrets to get a high-end look on a budget. First, stalk the expensive website to find the style that you like. Next, do a reverse image search to find a similar look for less. Most of the time, you'll find something almost identical that costs a fraction of the price. For more tips like this and a step-by-step guide to make your home look expensive and like you hired a designer, click the link in the description below. In my course, Designer Home 101, you'll learn everything from finding your style to adding the finishing touches that make a home feel complete. Here are some high-low bench styles I found using this method. And that, my friends, is a wrap. You now know how to choose, decorate, afford, and add a bench to your design. Whether you want to spend a little or a lot, the perfect bench is out there waiting for you to bring it home. Links to everything shared are in the description box below. They're also saved to my LTK shop and Walmart storefront. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend if you found this helpful. And let me know in the comments what kind of bench you're planning to add to your space. For more design tips and inspiration, check out this video. Love you all so much and happy designing.